Losing or getting your passport stolen abroad would be a nightmare. If the worst were ever to happen, here's a tip that'll make getting a replacement a lot easier. Email yourself a copy of your passport. The U.S. Department of State recommends travelers like us to make a scanned copy of our passports before leaving for an international trip, as this will speed up the process of proving your identity and obtaining a new passport at the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate. So, to do this, use a scanner or take a good photo of your passport with your phone and email it to yourself so you always have access to it from any computer in the world if you'd ever need it. This way, if the worst was to ever happen, you'll be able to get home quicker. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Travel Tip Tuesdays tip. Please click the like and subscribe buttons now if you did, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails.